Is Vizio Smart TV compatible with Spectrum app? Yes, Vizio Smart TVs are compatible with the Spectrum TV app, but the compatibility depends on the model and the platform the TV uses. Vizio Smart TVs typically run on either the SmartCast or Roku platform, both of which support the Spectrum TV app. This allows users to access their Spectrum TV services directly through the app, giving them the ability to watch live TV, on-demand content, and their DVR recordings. First, SmartCast platform compatibility. Vizio's SmartCast platform is compatible with the Spectrum TV app. If you have a Vizio Smart TV that uses SmartCast, you can download the Spectrum TV app directly from the TV's app store. Once downloaded, you'll be able to sign in with your Spectrum credentials and access live channels, on-demand programming, and additional content offered by Spectrum. Second, Roku platform compatibility. Many Vizio Smart TVs also run on the Roku platform, which is another platform that supports the Spectrum TV app. If your Vizio Smart TV uses Roku, you can find and install the Spectrum TV app through the Roku channel store. After installation, signing in with your Spectrum account will give you full access to the Spectrum content available to your subscription. Third, Spectrum app features on Vizio. Once you've installed the Spectrum TV app on your Vizio Smart TV, you'll be able to enjoy various features like live TV streaming, access to your DVR recordings, on-demand shows, and movies, and an easy-to-navigate interface. The app should work seamlessly on both SmartCast and Roku platforms, allowing you to enjoy a variety of Spectrum TV services directly on your Vizio Smart TV. In conclusion, Vizio Smart TVs are compatible with the Spectrum TV app, whether your TV uses the SmartCast or Roku platform. As long as you have a compatible TV and an active Spectrum subscription, you should be able to easily access your Spectrum TV services via the app.